Pull out your wallets. Today we're going to spend 36 hours in the world's most expensive city, Singapore. Join us as we navigate our way around the most expensive city in the world. Hold on to your seats. It's going to be a wild ride. Going, back. We are going, back.
A full-time traveling family.
Spending the next 36 hours in Singapore. This is the world's most expensive city.
We're going to show you how to have fun and not break the bank.
In the world's most expensive city, Singapore.
All right, we have made it to JB Sentral. All right, here we go.
Say what you wanna say to me.
All right, so we're gonna try and get to the MRT.
I just need to let you go.
We only had to buy 3 tickets. Children under 7 are free.
What is keeping me away is the fact that you moved on.
We're just going to the temple now.
Man, just turn my back and put them all away.
Now we're at the temple, so now we're gonna go see what it's gonna be like. And you have to take off your shoes. Yeah.
Heart is beating, so tonight I will believe it. And I got this crazy feeling that someday I'll be okay. Wait, no, please don't go away. It's what you said to me, that without me you'll be lost. But hey, I remember yesterday and the promises you made, and the fact that we forgot.
It says Aravan, Sri Aravan. I don't know, I'm not familiar with the South Indian.
I'll move on, I'll be just fine. I will let go.
Can I get a Pikachu top?
Actually,
Pika. Nobody can say no to Pikachu. Pikachu.
Look, I was looking at the...
Mommy, can you put that?
all right, we have found another Yole cafe. Let's see if this one has the vegan. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we have plant-based mango ice cream and plant-based chocolate ice cream. They're all on special, and then you've got a bunch of different options. What toppings do you want? Make sure you don't get the vegan one.
Yeah, but don't lose it. Cookie sauce. Put those in your hands up. Put them in your hands.
Okay, now we made it to the next place at the market after we had that delicious ice cream. So next we're going to the light show. Bye-bye. The light show, water show, aka water then you put on a suit and everything, and then there's like secret gadgets. Now we're going to the
No, we're going to Gardens by the Bay.
Mommy, I was doing the 2D dot is like this and like this. Wasn't I right?
Alright, we are taking this brown line towards Gardens by the Bay. The trains are pretty regular. It's one in 2 minutes and one in 8 minutes. They have this indicator of how full the train is, the train load, so ours is all green. Alright, the Gardens by the Bay MRT station is brand new and it is lovely and clean. And the stations here also have really clean, great toilets. It's just after 7 o'clock and there are a lot of people rollerblading, jogging, riding their bikes. Here's the children's garden, which is closed now. It's a special children's playground, but it's closed right now.
Okay, hello. Now we're going to the light show, aka water show. Take a picture.
Okay. Got it.
Can I see?
One, two, three, let's go.
Alright, we are arriving at our hotel. It's 2 minutes to 9. Past our bedtime.
GoingGoing.BackBack. We'll leak the travel credit details for Capital One below.
Can we get out through there?
When we rocked up here, there was about 5 or 6 couples in line, and I've never seen an Indian restaurant packed with a line at 9:30 in the morning. Also, the line moved really quickly, so even if you're waiting, you're not going to wait that long. Unless it's going down the street and around the corner. When you get in for a wait.
Okay, we're at Komala and there's a long line here.
Really flavorful, nice little food, but not so spicy that the kids can't eat them, which can be a problem in some Indian places.
Give it a thumbs up.
Two enthusiastic thumbs up.
It's so delicious, they will pop up. Like boom and pop. Pop.
Pagoda Street is on the 4th floor. Follow the signs for the lift. I've come up to the rooftop garden.
Got brain food. Celery, apple. I guess some of the days the stalls take rotational times when they're closed. And coincidentally today a few of the vegetarian places are closed that I went to. I only found maybe 4 or 5 and they're all closed. Well, there's one that's open, but she's closing right now. So all of them are all closed. And there's places that have a lot of vegan options and veggie options, but it's predominantly meat-based menu.
Jufu Yuan Vegetarian Delight. Looks good. All vegetarian. So we got this one. It's got 4 different. So we got one with 3 veggie dishes. And these 2 plates were 7 Singaporean dollars. So what did you get?
Yeah.
Looks like tofu.
Yeah.
And a fried vegetable.
Yeah.
And what are you eating with?
Pasta.
Yeah.
Pizza.
Peppa Pig chopsticks. I ordered first, and our 2 plates were 7 Singaporean dollars. How much for the other 3 plates?
14.
14. All right. Yeah. So came to about the same, except that you got your feast on a plate there. So 21 Singaporean dollars for a family of 5.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
So after 36 hours in Singapore, it cost our family $1,300,000,000. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more amazing adventures from around the world. Going, back, back.